If you guys are watching this video right now, you know exactly what's going down tonight. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is the day that we're gonna be tuning my Evo 8. If you guys have been following me on the channel, we did install a whole bunch of parts on my Evo 8. We installed the STM intercooler piping, the AGT 62mm turbo, some JD custom products, STM fuel pressure regulator, the whole fuel system, everything that we just installed is on top of the car. We are ready to make some jam. I'm so excited for this car. Like, our goal is to make 500 wheel horsepower, which that's not even a doubt because we're running a 62mm turbo. It's an Evo 9, but it's still a twin scroll, but it's converted to a 62mm from HDT, and we are running his billet 25 psi internal wastegate. This project has been coming along for a few weeks now, and I'm just so excited to experience the most power that I ever gonna experience and ever own on a car. For, you know, 500 wheel horsepower is gonna be a whole different level, different platform for me, something that I'm not really used to. But the only way to get into our faster goal is to sacrifice the torque and make some jam on a top speed. Just double checking everything, making sure that we're good on our engine oil, coolant level, just kind of go through everything, make sure that everything else is tight. So far things are looking good. I am so freaking excited, guys. And I know you guys have been wanting to find out when's the day that we're going to be tuning, so we hit up my tuner Dr. Boost. We are going to be sending it tonight, so I'm excited. I'm nervous just to see how this feels. Oh man, this is going to be insane, guys. I know you guys are so excited right now, and I am for myself too. Guys, so we are ready to get this car tuned. This is what's going on right now. I relocate my A and Y band over here so we can record it with the RPM at the same time, and it'll be more easier than just having it down here. I'm going to be recording on my phone. I do not have the adapter and all that stuff to kind of connect to A and Y band into the Evo Scan. This is what we're going to do, and it works, so it's not a big deal. I got my Tatrix open port plugged in, ready to go ahead and data log on top of the Evo Scan. The first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to do a data log. We're going to record the AFR and do a second gear pull, send the log out to him, and then that's where the match is going to happen. So I'm excited. I don't know what to expect, but I think it's going to be freaking wild on doing this first pull. So let's get it, guys. Crazy feeling right there. Oh jeez. Woo. Man, that caught me off guard right there, guys. Holy crap. Oh dude, that sounds so sick, guys. Woo. Oh man, my heart is freaking racing right now. I'm so excited, guys. You guys already can tell on my face right now. I'm like so pumped right now. Let's freaking go. So my tuner just sent me a new map. We're gonna go ahead and get it flashed into the car. He wants me to do the second and third gear pull, and so I need to pay attention on the AFR, making sure that the car does not lean out more than 12.5. If it does, we have to let it out. We'll send a data log and then send him the AFR and then do the adjustment and just flash another new map and see how everything kind of goes. Oh, we are good actually. Sweet. So we're basically at home and we went to do the second and third gear pull. My tuner did message me that he said that we are running out of fuel and that he was asking me if I had a double pumper, which I don't. So I have a 450 single pump. I thought it would be enough for doing this tuning or getting to our power goal. So he kind of told me just kind of pull out your fuel pump, making sure there isn't anything kind of weird going on. And I did remember that we went to go ahead and reinstall this grommet that it was already teared, but I just kind of put it in there and it got more worse. And you can see right here, So luckily I went to go ahead and order a new one from STM Tune, so the new one is in there, and also put in the new proper strainer on the 450 Walbro fuel pump. So hopefully that will be it. Kind of double checking everything looks fine. I don't see anything wrong, but hopefully that will be the issue. I'm gonna go ahead and slap it back in and do another data log, and hopefully it will fix our issue. Wow, that pull felt so good. Like, it felt so strong. I never felt a power like that on top end before, but that was just amazing feeling right there. I just hope that the grommet and putting the proper strainer on the 450 Walbro is gonna fix the issue. But trying to get this car done before the Chloe Fest, and it's gonna be a big event on the Hilo drag strip, so I'm just hoping that everything else goes according to plan. Man, this car just sounds so amazing. That blow valve sounds so freaking sick. Hopefully that we're not gonna have any issue as far as we can't be tuning the car as much if the car is leaning. But if we do come across with an issue where the car is not getting enough fuel, then we would have to end the night of tuning for now. It is what it is. It happens for a reason, and sometimes I don't like to rush, but at the same time I kind of want the car to get done. But it is what it is. It is now the next morning, guys, so I just got a text back from my tuner and actually fixed the problem. So that grommet on top of the fuel pump, that could cause an issue of having the car to go lean. So good thing that I did order that. Also put in the proper strainer for the 450 Walbro. He looked through the data log. We are pretty much good to go, guys. Hopefully we can finish the car today. I'll be very, very happy, and just want to rip this car first to fourth gear, because I really want to feel how the thing feels like from being stock before, running a stock turbo to running the 62 mil turbo. Just kind of going through everything, just kind of making sure everything else is good to go, checking my coolant level, engine oil level, we're all good to go. Just kind of randomly just looking through the car, making sure that this car won't give us any issue when we're tuning tonight. So hopefully everything else will turn out perfect and smooth, and we should be able to make our power goal tonight. So I just flashed a new map right now. My tuner said it should feel pretty fast, so I'm nervous but excited. So we're gonna record the data log again, do the second, third gear pull, record the AFR, send it out to him, and hopefully everything out turns good on his side, and also everything on the car. Oh man, oh dude, that felt awesome. Damn. Oh, that pulled a little bit hard right there, guys. That was so freaking sick. Oh jeez, that felt amazing. And so far everything on the data log is looking good. He didn't say anything about the car leaning or running out of fuel, so we are good to go, guys. So he is sending a new map right now. We're gonna flash it. Oh man, I'm kind of shaking right now. As you guys can see, I'm like excited, nervous, but shaking. Oh man, it's just a whole different feeling right now. You guys know this is like the first time I ever making at least around this much power before in my life, so I'm trying to get used to that feeling right now. But I'm freaking excited, guys. All right guys, so we are gonna be flashing the last map. If everything turns out good on this one, then we are pretty much dialed in. So I'm gonna go ahead and flash it right now. My tuner wants me to rev it to 8K, which is kind of nerve-wracking right there, but he said that we should be good because I am running a HK at 272 cams, so it's not really aggressive. So after this, we're gonna go ahead and do a data log, record everything, and send it to him, and hopefully everything will be good. So everything else checked out good on the data log and the AFR. We're all good to go. My tuner did ask me if I wanted to make a little bit more power, but then we will have to pull a little bit fuel out, or we just keep it on a nice spot where we're at right now to be on the safe side where the AFR is at. And me and him agree, we're gonna keep it on the safe side for now until if we ever plan on, you know, turning this bad boy up, then we'll go ahead and full send it. But I am freaking happy right now. We're probably making around 25 or more, especially on top end. But anti-lag is set. I'm gonna go test out my anti-lag and actually see how it shows coming from the hood exit and from the exhaust system. Damn, she sounds so freaking good. I'm gonna go ahead and rip the car first through 4th gear and see how she really feels. It's gonna pull freaking hard, guys. I could not like stop smiling. Like I still feel a little shaky just because the whole pull thing, everything on that car right now, I'm just still trying to get used to with the power band. And gosh, it's such a genuine rush. Like if you ever experience like a high horsepower like this, you would know how I feel. Very first, I would say 500 wheel horsepower, and it's such a day and night thing. From sacrificing the torque and having all the power at the top end, it's such a huge difference, guys, like for real. So I did a 3rd gear data log on an Evo scan, and I went to go ahead and put the log on top on virtual dyno, set everything that needed to be set, 3rd gear pull, and on virtual dyno graph it shows that the car made 492 wheel horsepower and 389 torque. I'll have the picture on the screen so I can show you guys what it is. This may not be like an accurate number, but it does feel like close to a 500 wheel horsepower, which is super insane, and it's such a freaking great feeling. Like I think we can make a 10-second pass this coming weekend, so I'm super excited. But then again, I do have like street tires. I don't have like slicks or drag radials, so these tires that I have right now, which is the ATR Sports, just gotta have to work for now. The review on the AGT turbo, I would say the best 62mm turbo Evo 9 that I ever purchased in my entire life. It's still a twin squirrel, makes all the good noises that I like, and it, like, for cruising wise, it's just perfect. Like I don't really go on boost, especially when I was on stock turbo. I just basically just cruise the car, and then, you know, I just enjoy hearing all the turbo noise. It just sounds so freaking sick. Now I'm really thinking of upgrading the turbo on my wife's Evo, like if I should go with a 52 or 55, but I guess we're gonna see. I kind of asked her, she has not giving me an answer, but I guess we'll just see from there. If you guys want to pick up any parts that we install on my Evo, I have everything listed down in the description box below. Just want to give a huge shout out to my tuner Dr. Boost for getting the car dialed in once again. He's been very helpful since day one, like I always mention all the time, and I've been really grateful that he's part of this build. Shout out to Tyler Gennard for his AGT turbo. You know, he's been really helpful as well. If you guys have any question for any power goal that you guys are chasing, hit him up, because he has all the answer for you guys, and he's really knowledgeable, he's really awesome, he's helpful. Hit him up, guys. I'll have his Instagram in the description box below, and also the link to his website so you can check out his turbo setup. There has been a lot of good reviews on his turbo, and I'm grateful that I got his turbo, and it runs so amazing. So thank you so much. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also like, comment, and hit the notification button for the upload content. Aloha. I'll see you guys on the next one.